Just look, my toddler's piece of art. Oh. Yeah. This one is broken.
Godspeed. We travel with hope in our minds. Lose rain, the sky and the wind are only.
The last bunch of laundry. This is the latest, and then mats will be shortly before we leave. The school bag also needs to be washed because when we come back, it will be the beginning of the school year. So we want to leave everything clean and set up. I don't know if I will bring the bag for him this time round or not. I only use the anti-fingerprint.
Yes?
Cream oil. No, I'm not talking to you, baby.
Yeah.
On the point of contact, I notice if you just clean overall these places, the fingerprint. I will use my Kesha S5 just to distribute the moisture on the cabinet, but I don't use steam because it's cabinet. Yeah, just the handle to distribute moisture. This is what I mean, like just to distribute the moisture. That's not good. Light finish.
What package? What package is it there?
P1. No, everything is not about cars. That is not parking.
It's a P1. It's a P1 top.
No, I am cleaning and you are. I use my ketchup. No, get out from there. It's hot. Okay. My only surviving indoor plant, but I need to change the soil because every time I water it, I think the roots are broken. The soil is too weak. So every time I water it, it drops. I wish to change the soil, but I'm always lazy to do the work, so I will water it and then fertilizer for the time we want to be here because it will be long. It looks like it wants to rain, but I can't trust the rain because we've been having the same problem where like the cloud build up and then you think it's raining and it does not rain. So I will just water for a few days. If it rains, well, everything needed is sorted there. Yeah, they will be packed inside here. I'm already happy. The suitcase is getting full and I've not packed everything that I want to bring because there are so many things I want to bring. But yeah. I don't know. It looks empty, but I'm almost like hitting the target. Hi. I'm almost hitting the target weight. So, doom. All the mats in the bathroom. So when we come back home, the house is smelling so fresh. I love the feeling of coming back home and the house is so fresh. Nothing beats the feeling of coming back to fresh baby. the theme this season is white and green for before autumn. That's why I like white beddings, because I can just add different colors depending on the mood, you know.
Cause I got these mouths to feed. Then I think about where I've been, and I must believe that if he did it, he'll do it again. God has been too good to me. Every good and perfect thing, let's see what today may bring for my...
Actually, I don't always wash these covers often, only the other cover protection, the additional cover protection. But when I wanted to like wash the extra ones that I have on top of this one, I realized that my covers were really having stains from spills here and there, so I decided like to wash. But this is not something that I do for every trip. These ones I wash often, but these ones not, maybe twice a year, depending on how dirty they are. And now I didn't wash this one because it didn't look dirty, and now it looks dirty. So maybe this I washed in the last quarter of the year. I think that's what I will do.
I held on to his promise. If you wonder what the future holds, if it will get better, just rest and take it slow, one foot in front of the other. Every good, perfect thing. Let's see they may bring for my good. I see it working. It's all working. Yes, it is. For my His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever. For the Lord is good, and His mercy endures forever.
God's feet, travel with hope in our mind. Loose rain, the sky and the wind only guide. Wild sea, we are all strangers to this land. No matter, promise but the light.
We pick all the electricals to charge, power bank. I don't need a fan this time. The weather is quite okay. So the cameras, and then maybe I pick a stand. So here is where all my electricals are. Actually, I would like to carry my drone, but it's complicated there, so I leave it. But it would have been really good.
Rolling into the great unknown.
till we meet again.